Hello and welcome to Kaskwadi. Aji eta notun video loi ahilo eta notun kam ekhon gari ahise thik ase Meghalaya pora ISUZU MUX to model to iman mane famous nohoy but bahut dhunia hoy gari khon mane Guwahati rastat moi bahut kom dekhisu ekhon gari efalor pora sawa hok pasfalor pora sawa ebar ISUZU MUX hoy বহুত ধুনিয়া হয় ঠিক আছে গাড়ীখন তেওঁৰ দুটা পেট আছে ডগি আছে ৰটৱেলাৰ হয় তো তেওঁলোকে অলপ গাড়ীখনৰ কন্ডিশনটো বেয়া কৰি দিলে দেখাই আছো গাড়ীত ৰেড বিচাৰি থাকোতে নিগনি বিচাৰি থাকোতে তো গুটে নেইলছৰ দাগ বহাই দিছে চাও পাৰে এবিলাক নখৰ দাগ বহাই দিছে ৰটৱেলাৰে তো
ai ngan practice show mo
সব ফালে এফালে আহক এবিলাক
বাকা ক্লিক
এবিলাক মার্কস আছে তো গাড়ীখনৰ এতিয়া পেইন্ট হ'ব পেইন্ট হোৱাৰ পিছত তেওঁ PPF কৰিব ফাইনালি PPF থকা হলে এনেকুৱা নহল হয় তেওঁ আমাৰ লগত আজি আছে তো মই আপোনালোকক এবাৰ চিনাকি কৰাই দি আছো So sir আজি আমাৰ লগত আছে hello sir how are you
all good
so you were from this one Meghalaya Shillong so you came all the way to Kaskwadi India so why you have chosen us like
yeah it's because like 2-3 of my friends have come here bringing their alcazar and also the venue so I've been checking out their work like your work so I've been checking out all the body and all the scratches and everything which was there before and then after like the PPF I really like was so amazed with your work
thank
so I was very happy to see like you guys like keeping up so after that I was thinking like chalo theek hai I should even give it a go no like
give it a try
so that's how
so I promise that I'll do the best and will not let you down so thank you so much
thank you
so sai thakok video tu ami gute hini apnalok dekhai asu paintor kam PPF or kam thik ase
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a you stepping on me and they call my mama, touch you better than that. You're mad, I so obsessed with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that, you're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well come as a bitch, get ready for this. I trust my I trust my
তো তেওঁলোক তো ধৰক শিলঙৰ পৰা আহিছে একাৰণে মই অসমীয়াৰ পৰা অলপ হিন্দী লৈকে আহিছো হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছ ক'ব লাগিব ঠিক আছে সো লেটস ওয়েলকাম Kevin here he is
hello
hi so he had done his ISUZU here that I had told in my previous speech also so how was the work
the work was very like I would give 10 out of 10
okay
the work was too good
would you recommend it to all your friends there because you have got a very popular shop there the shop name is Spinning Wheels. I will give the location description in the YouTube also. So anyone who want to go and put lovely alloy wheels and we have got a variety of alloy wheels I guess. Now I will show the alloy of his car also. It's very uncommon. Okay. So whoever want to get alloys done, you can come to his shop and get the alloys in his shop. Okay. So from if anyone goes and give our reference, then I think he will give some kind of discounts also.
Definitely. Why not? Please come.
Thank you so much and like, comment and subscribe kori dibo. Thank you so much.